My name is Oliver Norton, and I really want to thank Dr. Ope and share my personal experience with the Netpreneur franchise system. The NFS program was a game changer. I made about $1,750 in my very first month using the Netpreneur franchise program, despite having never made more than $200 in any month in my last 1.5 years online. I was really excited to get an immediate opportunity to start making money online while also getting the opportunity to take my time in learning the fundamental critical systems I needed to build a long-time business online. The membership side of NFS was really cool. They had everything laid out professionally with the done-for-you programs and the long-term training and resources. They didn't just focus on their franchisees making money quickly. They also had tons of easy to follow trainings on how to become a well-rounded internet marketer long term. What really blew me away was the private coaching program that was included as part of the whole deal. I've paid over $2,997 for a coaching program in the past that doesn't even come close to what's provided with the Netpreneur franchise. Not only did I get an opportunity for a one-on-one call with the founder, they also have weekly trainings and a very active private chat group where I can get answers to issues immediately. It was really nice. To be honest, none of the programs I've tried before gave me the opportunity to start making money right away with complete done-for-you products that are already selling well in the market, while teaching me how to create my own complete business and help me grow it at my own pace. I can honestly say that this is by far the most profitable decision I've ever made online. And I just really want to thank Dr. Ope and his team for all the time, effort, and money they've put into this program. Thank you very much.